Today we would like to introduce you the latest air-cooled laser welding machine with a power of 1000. Connect the power port, the air hose, and the power port of the wire feeder in sequence. Then connect the wire feeding hose and fix it with a screw. Install the corresponding wire feeding rollers and wire spool. Turn on the device and enter the password 123456. Switch the language to the one you need. Navigate sequentially to Settings, Wire Feeder, Manual Wire Feeding, until the welding wire extends to the appropriate length. Next, install each part of the welding gun in sequence.